Have you ever dreamed of having your own nursery at home? I bet some of you have. Well, I've got just the thing for you budding nursery types. It's your very own walk-in greenhouse that's 100% DIY, easy to install, and I'm going to build it now because it comes in a kit. Assembling the greenhouse really is a cinch. There are no bolts, screws or tools required. Just follow the instructions and before you know it, she's up and away. All of the tubes and fittings are powder coated and durable PVC so won't rust. Of course your plants need regular water and the greenhouse comes with an inbuilt irrigation system with misting nozzles, perfect for seedlings and propagation as well as your bigger plants. And then, of course, there is the UV-protected, heavy-duty, weather-resistant cover designed to withstand diverse weather conditions. There's plenty of room inside here with generous shelves for your pots, your plants, your seedlings, your veggies, and it's really good for propagating your indoor plants. The beauty of a greenhouse is that you can grow all year round due to the protection it gives, so there's no slacking off in winter. You can just keep on going and keep on growing. For the ultimate in reliability and regular watering, pair your system with the BTX1 tap timer to fully automate your watering system and maintain a consistently humid environment in the greenhouse. And these are easy to operate via the Holman app on your smartphone. If the walk-in is too large for your garden, you can always opt for the smaller Holman 4-tier greenhouse kit.